Hey guys, so for today's video, we're going to review this newly purchased Estee Lauder. Actually, there is only one Estee Lauder shade that is new from this collection. I didn't mean to. So, I just saw this one from Carousel, and before I was looking for a much lighter shade aside from 2CO, which is my Cool Vanilla. I've learned this color way back 2018 when I was in SM North. I was assisted by a sales clerk lady from Estee Lauder, and she suggested me this shade. And from then, it has been my go-to shade ever since I'm under a cool tone na kailangan medyo may hint pa rin ng yellowish para matakpan yung redness ng face ko. And recently, I was aiming for a much lighter shade, which I thought upon purchasing this new Estee Lauder. By the way, I got this from Carousel. I don't know, I can't remember if I mentioned that a while ago already. But I got this from Carousel, and I got this for only 1,800. So, the original price of Estee Lauder is around 2,950 pesos, but I only got this from 1,800, and it's originally came from, or the owner purchased this from Nordstrom, which I believe located in New York. And this batch, as per checking, is made in Canada. Well, I do remember this one that I got from, this is officially came from a Lazada store. I purchased it from Lazada store, and usually those items that I get specifically from Philippines are made in Belgium. So I just don't know what's the difference in between those. So eto na nga guys. So I was really excited unboxing when it finally arrived, and when I got home, and guys, I thought I'll be happy. I really thought, because 1C1 hindi siya much lighter than 2CO. So upon comparing these two, as you can see, diba, parang mas lighter pa yung 2CO than the 1C1, which I supposed to, expect that this would be much lighter. But then when I get back to Google, I just realized that they are really different. And there is actually one more shade that is ahead than this, and that is called the 1CO. That's called 1CO. So I really thought that this will match me, but unfortunately this is too pinky, which emphasizes more of my pinky tone. Unlike this na pag medyo may pagka vanilla siya, that's why it's called Cool Vanilla. There's a cool undertone at the same time, as you can see here. Diba? Nagmamatch yung color ng dalawa. I was really disappointed, guys. But I do remember last December, I purchased a decant version of an Estee Lauder, because I was, this has been my habit before, taking a full bottle. I'll find a decant version of a specific shade of, for example, a newer foundation or an expensive foundation before I take a full bottle of it. So I'm not sure if I got that shade at 1C1 or 1CO, but that decant that I got from Estee Lauder from Shopee was much lighter. So I'm not sure if if it was really 1C1 or 1CO that I got before. But I was trying to find the history of my Shopee, and so I can see that shade, because as far as I can remember, I purchased it as 1C1, but I'm not really sure. Maybe I just really forget, or you know, namalikmata lang ako. So yun, guys. Anyway, the quality is still the same. They're both original. It just happened that it doesn't really match my shade for this 1C1, guys. It's not really for me. So what I'm going to do, or planning, is that I might be doing, or I might sell this for maybe 1,500, or I think I'm just going in between 1,500 to 1,700, since I can't use this. Parang it will make my complexion more pinkier than it usually is, because I'm already reddish na, because of my, I think I do have a rosacea and some acne marks, those redness. This will emphasize more of that, so it makes my face more I think darker, because it's already pinkish. And what I need is something that is lighter, because I am an acidic person, so I need a much lighter shade than this. This is already good, but I think due to some changes in my skin tone, and you know, I have been using this for since 2018. There have been so much changes now already, so I'm really hoping to, you know, if I can personally take a swatch in between 1C1 and the 1CO, that would be great. But unfortunately, most of the stores here in Philippines doesn't have the lighter shades of the cool undertones. The lightest one that they already have, I think, under the cool undertone is this, the 2CO. I have also contacted before the Rustans in Cubao, in Gateway, and they said that they don't have, and they rarely have the lightest shades for cool undertones. So let's try to see. I've seen one a while ago on Zalora, I think. Yeah, Zalora. I've seen the 1CO. However, I'm in doubt, because you know, ito nga, I thought that it would be my best shade, but it still hasn't. So I'm still contemplating if I'm gonna purchase that online. So yeah, that's it. I just want to share it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.